Justsafi here. I'm here with another video, and I'm showing you some of my favorite lock products that I use on my locks and my daughter's locks as well. I'm also going to talk about a few failed products, and so let's get started. Okay, let's start with wash. There are two products that I love to wash my locks with, as well as my daughter's. And it is, number one, the Herbal Essence 0%, Zero Minerals, and Zero Silicone Tea Tree Shampoo. I love this shampoo because it lathers really well and it tingles in the scalp, so you know that it is working to help pull and get rid of the debris, the dandruff, all that yucky stuff. And I use it not only on mine, but I use it on my daughter's as well. The other thing is the Therapeutic T Plus shampoo. Now, I've talked about this shampoo before, so just check it out, especially if you have dandruff, whether you are loose natural or you have locks. Yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out. Alright, next product is a product that I am loving at this moment, and it is the Style Factor Lock Booster Twist and Grip Gel. You see that I have used a generous amount of this product because it really works. It really works to lay and slick down those locks without making it like super hard and crunchy. And also, because it is more like a, I don't know, not a gel, yes, but also like an edge control, it has shine to it, and it gives the hair shine, and I actually like that. So I will be purchasing this one again. To stay in the same brand, I also purchased the Edge Booster in the Sweet Peach scent, and I just started using this, and I love it. I love it because it does the job, and it gives me more of a stiffer hold, which is great when you're doing the retwist, or you're trying to get rid of flyaway hairs in your locks. Yes, and these two products, let me tell you, wash away very easily. So if you ever think about build-up and things of that nature, no, these products will wash away very easily. Now, next thing that I like, someone recommended this to me in the beauty supply store. So alright, it is the Vigoro Mousse. This is the Olive Oil Mega Moisture Mousse. Now, when you do a style, 2-strand twists, braid out styles, and you want to set it, I will spray the hair with mousse, and then I will take my blow dryer, and it dries very quickly, and it's light, but it holds. So if you understand that, it's light but it holds. And yeah, I like it. It smells great. It foams and lathers very well. It works great on the locks. It doesn't, you know, cause any buildup on the locks because it does dissipate into the hair. So yeah, it's a win. It's a win. Alright, next thing is Glaze, Glazee, from Balm Collection, She Balm Collection. I love the way it smells. It smells like fruit juice. And you see, I've used a considerable amount of this. You know, I toss and turn between these different gels, edge controls, and whatever I feel like using at the moment. If I want a more stiffer look, I'll use the Edge Booster. If I want something that's a little less, then I'll use some of the other ones. And yeah, this one, it smells great. It works great, just like it's comparison to that, the lock booster. And so yeah, it really works. I don't have a problem with it. Now, I am going to give you a product that sucks. And I don't know why I bought it. It was a waste of money. And it is the Moco de Gorilla. Gorilla. This is the Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm thinking because the whole Gorilla Snot collection, you know, definitely have that retwist held tight, you know, and no, it's just a goopy. I don't even know if I want to open it. It's a goopy mess. It is a goopy mess, and yeah, it causes buildup. Don't recommend it whatsoever. I also have it in another tube because I thought maybe, okay, I don't have to scoop it out. If I have a squeeze tube, it would be better, and the squeeze tube is no better. So it's just something that I stay away from. Now I'm going to show you a product that, you know, for you girlies out there dealing with alopecia, this might be something that... Alright, this is the Ego Styler Black Gel. This gel has color in it. So if you have some thinning spots, thinning areas, whether you have locks or loose natural hair, if you have some thinning spots, this is great, especially if you have black hair. What it does is it just fills in, but it also works as a gel. And yeah, I use this not so often, but every now and then, if I do decide to wear my hair up, or, you know, maybe have a side swept kind of look, then I will use this to just fill in those little areas, just to give my hair the look of a little more fullness. The only thing is, this does not last long. This will last you for whatever event you need it for, or for the day, but beyond that, and make sure that before you lay down, if this is not fully dry, put your scarf on. Just put your scarf on. Well, you should putting your scarf on anyway when you lay down. You know, that's no here nor there, but just do it. Yep. So those are the products that I am loving and using right now for my locks, my daughter's locks, and yeah, that's what we're loving. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.